Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to do a brief tutorial on how to get to the university library page and use some of the databases there. So this is just the uidaho.edu website, the front page. You want to go to this drop-down menu of prospective students, current students, and down here under top links, you're going to find the U of I library. Go ahead and click here. All right. So there's the physical catalog, but a lot of what's going to be available is going to be these pages here that are access to all of the databases. I generally just use Academic Search Premier. So we'll just click on that. So all of this is going to be, again, probably covered somewhat by Sarah Van Gundy and the resources that she has posted for the library, but I wanted to do kind of a quick version of what I do for myself. Alright, so this is EBSCOhost. There's a lot of search options that are available. You can look by publication date, you can look by specific publications. The usual thing that I always click, just because it saves some time, is just the full text. So whatever your choice is in terms of themes that you're going to be working with, let's say immigration, you can look at all of these like drop downs, but let's just do kind of a broad search for now. This will kind of give you a broad scope of what you can do and what is out there. So again, we're looking at here, we have like a more like a legal kind of take. We have an academic journal that's going to be doing looking specifically at Black Lives Matter and COVID-19. What we could do then, if we wanted to see, a lot of this is pretty legal, it's pretty heavy. We could then do something along the lines of immigration representation. And this could maybe give us a bit of a better access to a resource that looks good with what we want to do. So what I want you to do is to be thinking about these as also part of the options you have available. You can go in, you can get a physical book, but also the majority of the research that I end up doing, I am almost always just looking at academic journals that are up here on EBSCOhost. So I wanted to show you this resource that's also available to you. Thanks everyone, and I will see you soon.